Hi everyone, John from OCAM here. Today we're going to be installing the bonnet protector on a Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. The same bonnet protector will also suit the MQ Triton. When you receive your bonnet protector, it'll come in a plastic sleeve like this with your fittings and your instructions at the very end of it. First things first, what we do is get the bonnet protector and put it over the top of the bonnet, lining up the eyelets of the bonnet protector with the pins underneath the bonnet. So once we've located where the pins are, where the eyelets match up with the pins, remove the bonnet protector and remove the pins that are holding the rubber intact. Best way to remove the pins is to just peel off the rubber from the pin to allow you a little bit of space to get in there with some long nose pliers, and then just pull them out. Okay, so once we've taken the pins out that are holding the rubber intact, we'll get the bonnet, we'll get the inserts, and these replace the pins. So move the rubber aside a little bit, pop it in the pin. It will sit in there loosely, but don't worry, it won't fall out. Once we put the screws through there, it'll put it in there nice and tight. As you can see, the screw plugs have a boss head on them. The eyelet of the bonnet protector will sit in there nicely, so when you are screwing your screw in there, you can actually apply some pressure onto the lip of the bonnet protector, and that will keep that intact so it doesn't turn as you're turning your screw. Okay, once you've got them all inserted, get your bonnet protector. Now, when installing the bonnet protector, put it in between the rubber and the lip of your bonnet. Now once you got it to that stage, line up the eyelet of the bonnet protector with the screw plug, with the boss head. Now with your fittings, make sure when you take them out, spread them all out and group them all together. You'll have your wing clips, your self-tapping screws, washers, and then your bits and pieces to attach your wing clips onto your bonnet protector. So what we do is we'll get the self-tapping screw and the washer. Get your Phillips head screwdriver, and what we'll do is you put your screw through the hole of the rubber, ensure that the boss head is in the eyelet of the screw plug, apply some pressure underneath on the tag so the boss head doesn't move around, and tighten up. Now do the same with the other three that are left to be done. The rest of the screws into the bonnet and bonnet protector. Next step is to install the wing clips. So in your kit, you'll get an alcohol wipe that comes with it, and 2 adhesive strips to protect the paintwork. So we'll take those out. First things first, get your alcohol wipe. Locate where the eyelet is for the wing clip. So it's just about here. So we're just going to give that a good clean. And then do the same on the other side. Once we've done that, get your abrasive strips and just put half of it on top of the bonnet and then tuck the other half underneath the bonnet. So remove the backing, like that where the hole is. Put it smack bang in the middle of the hole, half on top, half on the bottom, just like so. Once you've done that one, do the other side as well. So the next step after that is to get your wing clips and just apply them onto the bonnet, over the strip, and having the eyelet match up with the actual clip. Before putting the wing clips on, you do have an insert that you need to put up top. Just like so. So when you put your screw in, it holds it nice and tight. So you come around to the other side of the vehicle and do the same thing. Line it up, push it in. Once you've done that, just lower the bonnet. Get your screw and your washer, like so. Locate the eyelet of the clip, of the wing clip. Tighten that down. Don't go too tight, just needs to be hand tight is sufficient. Once you've done that, do the other side. Now once you've put the other wing clip onto the bonnet protector, just go over all your screws just to make sure that they're all in nice and tight. Give them another little hand tight with the screwdriver. Once that's all done, you're all completed. So thank you for watching and have a great day.